Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm literally foaming at the mouth about this collection. Like, I am so excited. So today we're gonna be playing around with the new Glamlite and Chucky Crazy in Love collection. So I picked this up on Valentine's Day. That's when it launched. I was like on my phone ready. I didn't pick everything up. I picked up the palette and the two lip kits. I know that there was a blush. I believe there was like an eyeliner. And there was also like a little hand mirror. I wanted the hand mirror, but I didn't pick it up. I was like, let me be good. I shouldn't even be spending money right now. I literally just moved and I've been like furnishing a house. But I picked stuff up anyway because duh. Chucky, horror, me, makeup, I needed it, obviously. So we're gonna be playing around with it today. Like I said, I did pick this up with my own money. I bought this myself. They did not send it to me. They don't even know who I am. And this is the first time I'm trying Glamlite products in general. This is the first time I'm trying like one of their eyeshadow palettes, and I was a little shook, not gonna lie. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So first of all, I just want to say I really love that they added this in the package as well, because sometimes when you get PR, they send like little cards with the collection and stuff, and they don't always send that with like normal packages, like not PR packages and stuff. So I love that they sent this in the package as well. Like I said, I bought this myself, so this is such a cute little touch. It's like Chucky and Tiff little card, and it kind of looks like a wedding invitation, and it says the Rays on it. This is so cute. I literally want to frame this and put it in my room. It's adorable. So like I said, and honestly, I also want to mention too, I was very surprised that this collection wasn't too pricey for all three things, and I did use a code. I know my friends dupe that have a code on the collection. I think all three of these ended up being like 53 bucks, which honestly, that's not that bad considering like how much some makeup products are, and especially like collections and stuff. It's a little pricey. So 53 bucks honestly was not too bad. The first thing that I picked up was the Crazy in Love palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the unicorn. You guys know I'm a packaging whore, so I'm gonna put this shit on display. Child's Play and Chucky and everything is one of my favorite like horror franchises. Unpopular opinion, but Seed of Chucky is my favorite and best Chucky. I don't care what anybody says. I love Seed of Chucky. If they would like expand on this collection and come out with stuff with Glenn, I would absolutely die. I love Glenn so much. So I wish that there was like, you know, like they're Crazy in Love, like when they have the baby, can we like expand on the collection a little bit? I would die. But anyways, this is what the unicorn looks like. I love this so much. It's so cute. It says good guys, Tiff. It has Chucky and Tiff in a little heart, and it just says Chucky Crazy in Love. This is what the packaging looks like for the palette, you guys. Are you joking? It is this kind of packaging where like you move it and the front of it. Oh, this is such a cool palette. This honestly might be one of my favorite palette designs ever. I'm obsessed. When you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. This is such a me palette, you guys. This palette is literally everything. I think the colors in here are stunning. There are 15 shades. Some of the shadows have like little imprints in them, which I think is so cute. And it's just a mixture of like all dark, grungy shades, which I absolutely love. This is like what I've been wanting in like a palette, and it just makes it even better that it's a like Chucky and Tiff palette. So I'll put close-ups on the screen, I'll put swatches obviously, but this is, I love this so much. I just cannot get over this packaging. Like, I think this is one, I can never remember like what this is called. I know it starts with an L, but this is like one of the best ones I've ever seen, because a lot of times like you can still see what the other part says when you move it, and this one is so clear when they're different. Like, I think it's amazing. Packaging, 10 out of 10. But yeah, the palette, everything. Next two things that I picked up were the two lip kits in the collection. I'm obsessed with these because they look like VHS tapes. Like, are you joking? I collect horror VHS tapes, so this is like right up my alley. I love that it's Chucky and Tiff. The packaging is just, it's so cute. When they're stacked on top of each other, they really do look like little VHSs. And they just say Chucky and Glamlite on the side, and then the back has some little designs as well. So the first one that we have is the Chucky lip kit, and you just slide it open, and here is what the inside looks like. And it has Chucky on the lipstick and the lip liner. So both of them come with a lip liner and a lipstick, and this is what it looks like in the back of the little packaging. It says Chucky all over it. This one's more of a more wearable lip color. Wearable to who? I don't know. More of a like wearable brownie lip combo, you know? So the lip liner is like a more grungy kind of darker brown. I'll put swatches on the screen obviously. And I love the lipstick packaging. Both of them, I have Chucky and then Tiff on the lipsticks. This is what the Chucky one looks like, and then it just has hearts all over it. And this one is like such a beautiful brownie nude. Oh, I love this so much. I knew I needed this little lip combo. I feel like I will definitely get a lot of use out of this one. It's so pretty. And then we have the Tiff one, and this one just says Tiff Lip Kit. Again, you pull it down and you open it up. And then on the back of this one, in the little like design in the back, just says Tiff, and it is like that glossy and matte kind of design. I love that. And like I said, the lipstick of the other one obviously had Chucky. This one has Tiff on it. And this combo is actually the one that I have on right now. It's almost like a really dark burgundy brown purpley almost lip liner, and these are both wooden lip liners, which I love. I feel like you just get such clean lines with wooden lip pencils. So this one again has Tiff on the lip pencil, and then on the lipstick again just has Tiff. And this is such a beautiful dark red lipstick. Both lipsticks have little melting hearts imprinted in them, which I think is super cute. I just love the little details on everything. This whole collection is so well thought out and executed perfectly. I just think this is so cute. So that is the Tiff lip kit. 3 things that I picked up from the collection. Like, I know it's sold out right now. I hope that they do restock it, because I know I got a lot of DMs the other day when I posted this saying that like you guys weren't able to pick it up, like you guys missed the launch. So hopefully they do restock it, because I know right now it is sold out. So if they do restock it, I kind of want to pick up the hand mirror. It's so cute. I also love that they launched this on Valentine's Day. If you guys know me, Valentine's Day and Halloween are my 2 favorite holidays, and I feel like Valentine's Day and Halloween go hand in hand. And if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. But like Valentine's Day and Halloween, they're like the same. Horror and Valentine's Day just go hand in hand. And I think this was absolutely perfect. I think this was such a good execution. Like, love marketing. I'm a marketing person. I worked in marketing, and I just think the marketing for this and just like the execution and everything was so well thought out. I love it so much. So anyways, I literally could not wait to film with this collection. When it came in the mail, I was like, oh my god, I need to film immediately. So I was so stoked for this collection. Like, I love this. Anyways, I did do a tutorial using the products that I picked up, and I also gave you guys my review at the end of the video. I'm sure you guys can tell like what my review is going to be, like, let's be real. But anyways, this is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So we're going to start off with the palette. I kind of have like an idea of what I want to do. I'm also going to an event after this, and it's like a super chill event, and I'm gonna be looking like I did the absolute most, but that's okay. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Scarier Than Ever. It's this shade right here. I already have my eyes primed. I primed them with the About Face eye primer. So I'm gonna take Scarier Than Ever and just dip into that. I've never tried Glamlite shadows before, so I'm excited to see how they go. I'm gonna start off, and I'm gonna pack this on, since this is like a little bit of a darker shade. I'm gonna put this in my crease. It's super pigmented. I actually dusted some off on the back of my hand right now. So I'm gonna try to blend this out. Oh, okay, I'm impressed. That was actually really easy to like blend out. It doesn't look patchy or anything so far. God, these are really, really pigmented. I've heard a lot of good things about Glamlite shadows, so I'm not surprised. But so far, I mean, they go on really well. Okay, so once I have that shade down, I'm gonna go into Till Death Do Us Part. It's this like burgundy shade. You guys know how I feel about burgundy, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go with like a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm gonna start putting this in the outer V. These shadows are super, super pigmented. Like, I'm barely taking anything on my brush, like, at all. Oh my god, that's really, oh my god. I thought this shade was gonna look more red, and I was gonna go in with this next shade, Play Pals, which is a little bit darker. And I'm like, if that's how dark this one is, I can only imagine how dark that next shade is. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm kind of just taking that along this like outer half of the lash line too, into the like outer V, just slowly bringing that into the crease as well. The color is so deep, and it doesn't even look that deep in the pan, so I'm curious to see how this next shade looks. I'm gonna go in with Play Pals. It's like a deep, deep burgundy. So let's see how that looks. Like, am I even gonna need to go into the black? Oh my god, no, this is so Like, they literally look exactly how they do in the pan. They're so deep and pigmented. I don't even think I need to go in with the black eyeshadow. This almost looks black. I'm just kind of going over that same area again and just kind of deepening that up a little bit. I'm also kind of just focusing that on the lash line right here. Okay, you guys, this like black shimmer in here, I want to use it so bad, but I feel like it's going to take away from like the rest of the shadow that I already put down. But like, look at how beautiful this black shimmer is. It's literally so pretty. It's like a gunmetal. Oh my god. Should I use that shade? I don't even know. There's that shade, and there's also issue 666, which is, I think this is the one I'm going to use. It's like a purple. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like, I am obsessed. This is so pretty. And there's also the silver, which I thought I was going to go with initially, but I don't know. Like, they're all so pretty. I'm obsessed with the shimmers. Like, they are so beautiful. I think I'm gonna go in with the purple though. Like, the purple one is calling my name. I'm gonna go in with issue 666 on my lid. I'm gonna take my finger first and just apply it like that. This color is stunning. Oh, shimmers are like absolutely insane. They're so pretty. I think I am gonna go in with the silver, but like this purple, like, are you joking? I'm obsessed. I think I am gonna go with the silver as well. That one's called Wanna Play. And I think I'm gonna take this on a little brush and like pack this on. Wow. Great choice. Great choice. That is so pretty. I love silver eyeshadow. Like, it just does something for me. It's so pretty. It's so pigmented. These shimmers are incredible. Obsessed. It looks so cool on top of that purple too. I think I am going to add a little bit of the black because why not? I'm going to go in with Free Hugs. It's this one right here. Take a little bit of that on this outer corner. Just a tad, just to add like a little. That's a black eyeshadow. Wow. Pigmentation. It's incredible. I don't know why I haven't used Glamlite shadows before. Those are really good. I'm very, very impressed. Let me do my foundation really quick and then we'll finish up the lower lash line. I just did my base really quick, so now I'm just baking. Let's finish up with this lower lash line. So for the waterline, I think I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop cream gel liner in Joyride. It's just like a deep burgundy. This is like one of my favorite eyeliners. I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Eyeliner is just so good. I love it so much. It's literally like a perfect burgundy. It doesn't look black either. Like, some burgundy eyeliners end up just looking like black on the waterline, but this one, chef's kiss. I'm just gonna go in with Till Death Do Us Part. It was that first burgundy shade that we went in with. Just gonna put this on a little pencil brush and just smudge out that liner. I think for once, I don't want to do a super blown out lower lash line. Kind of just want to keep it nice and tight. I actually love how that looks. Oh my god. That burgundy shade is insane. These shadows, I'm honestly so impressed. I don't know what took me so long to try Glamlite shadows, but I genuinely love these. They are so good. They blend out great, but like the pigmentation is insane. See, I don't have lashes or anything on yet, so it looks kind of weird, but I don't think my lower lash line has ever looked this good. I'm like shocked. I'm gonna go in with the clean brush and just blend those edges out. I think I want to take the silver in my inner corner, just kind of bring that along the lower part of the inner corner too. Because I literally can't get enough of the silver. It's so pretty. I mean, I had a feeling this might be like one of my favorite palettes because obviously it's Chucky. You guys know me, I'm a horror bitch, but like, damn, the fucking pigmentation is so good. This shadow formula kind of reminds me of Hip Dot. If you haven't tried Hip Dot, I really love those shadows, but like the MCR palette has such incredible pigmentation. This kind of reminds me of that. Went ahead and just put on some lashes really quick. I'm obsessed with this look. So I thought I was gonna go in with the Chucky lip kit because it's like a nude color and it looks so good, but I want to see what the red one looks like. Tiff one. Both of these have a lip liner and a lipstick in it. So yeah, so this lip liner, I don't know if it has a name, it's just the Tiff one. I'm gonna go with this one. It's like a dark brownie purpley shade. And these are wooden lip liners, which I love wooden lip liners. They remind me of the ones from MAC. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's super creamy too. There's just something about a wooden, I look crazy, but there's just something about a wooden lip liner that just hits different. Like I feel like you'll never get as clean of lines with lip liners than like with a wooden lip pencil. I love this. It's super creamy too. So let's go in with the Tiff lipstick. This one's like a really pretty like brick red almost. Oh, she's gorge. I love, oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow. You guys know how I feel about lip colors like this. This is everything. This is so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. Fix my hair and stuff really quick and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything, but like, come on. So let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on the collection. Are we surprised? I'm obsessed with this. This is such a collab done right. Like I love when a collab is just perfect, executed exactly like how you would want it to be. This, the MCR and Hip Dot collections, and then also like the Melt and Beetlejuice collections are probably like the 3 best collabs when I think of like movies or music or anything like that. I think they're executed so well. I love this so much. Not only is like the palette perfect, the only thing that I think I would probably want, and this is just like a personal thing, is just like a more of a brighter red, just because I love the eyeshadow formula and I think that they would do a red very well. But other than that, like I think the palette is so good. You could definitely recreate Tiff's like look from the movie and stuff like that. So I really do like that. I think that the little details are so good. I love it. The shadows performed so well. For this being my first Glamlite purchase, I think it shipped very well. I had a really easy time checking out. I know it's sold out already, so I'm hoping they'll restock it. But I think it's such a good collab. It's executed so well. I know I didn't get the entire collection, but the stuff that I did pick up, I absolutely love. Not only did they perform well, and I think that the products are really good, but also just the packaging. You guys know I'm like a packaging whore. Not only is the palette literally beautiful, like packaging, I love this. I always forget what it's called, but like it moves when you move it. And then also I love the lip kits. I love that they look like little VHSs. It's so cute. I just love everything so much. It is adorable and truly like hands down probably one of my favorite collabs that's ever come out. It was so me, and I'm very happy. I love Child's Play. I love Chucky. It's just perfect. I love this. Definitely recommend it. I hope that they do restock it because I know that a lot of people weren't able to get their hands on it. Let me know in the comments down below, did you guys pick anything up from this collection? And if you did you guys like it? Let me know. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Guys, I hope that you guys liked this video and I hope that it was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.